And we'll see if Dylan Howard can somehow get through this inning before being halfway to the century mark. First pitch misses inside to Emilian Pitre, and it's 1 ball and no strikes. 37 pitches already today for Howard. 1 ball, no strikes, nobody on, 1 away, and a tie game 2-2. Here's the pitch. Wave and a miss. 1 ball, 1 strike. Here's the 1-1. Fouled off the front foot of Pitre. He hops around a bit on the left-handed batter's box side, and it's 1-2. Well, Pitre started off the bottom of the first inning with a single. Has a chance to have as many hits as innings here so far today. The 1-2. Pitre fouls it off behind his own plate. Count stands still.
And for Howard, I mean, he's having a pretty good season. We saw him over on Tuesday, first start of the year against Bowling Green. I wonder if just Bowling Green seeing Howard twice this series, it must have really helped because they've looked like a different offense against him today.
The pitch. Line drive, center field, and down for a base hit. Pitre 2 for 2 in the first 2 innings. A solo homer and a single have made this inning a bit tougher for Howard. The right-hander who was up and throwing in the first inning is no longer throwing for Asheville, so this is